Alright guys, I'm back at Yahoo Falls today after a heavy rain. The other day up here it's just a trickle, but look at this. Is this not amazing? It's beautiful. Look how far it goes. This is Kentucky's longest waterfall. Is this not just a thrill to see? Just look at the expanse of how huge this area is, guys. Let me just pan around a little bit. It's not gorgeous. And this rock shelter, it's just plumb amazing. Got a good flow to it today, and it's such a gorgeous area, is it not? Look at this rock shelter, guys. This camera does not do justice to all this, boy, but to come down here and take the walk, I believe it's 0.25 of a mile down. It does have a lot of steps, but my gosh, it is sure worth it.